Hello students, the topic in the class today we discuss is salt hydrolysis. Salt hydrolysis. Okay. So what the meaning of this term salt hydrolysis? First, write some points, they will help you for understanding this topic salt hydrolysis. Write down certain points, लिख लीजिए आप लोग. It is reaction of salt. It is reaction of salt with water to form acid and base. It is the reaction of salt with water to form acid and base. That is, it is reverse of neutralization reaction. That is, it is reverse of neutralization reaction. It is reverse of neutralization reaction. Point number 1. Right, next point. A salt is said to be hydrolyzed. A salt is said to be hydrolyzed if it can produce either a weak acid. It can produce either a weak acid or a weak base or both. If it can produce either a weak acid or a weak base or both on reaction with water. On reaction with water. Right, next point. The cationic or anionic part of salt. The cationic or anionic part of salt coming from weak base or weak acid is only hydrolyzed. The cationic or anionic part of salt coming from weak base or weak acid is only hydrolyzed. Weak base or weak acid is only hydrolyzed. Okay? Right, next point. The nature of salt solution. The nature of salt solution. नेचर का मीनिंग यहाँ पे क्या है? एसिडिक, बेसिक और न्यूट्रल. You can add on the nature of salt solution. Write in bracket acidic, basic or neutral. Write in bracket acidic, basic or neutral. Depends on the stronger part. Stronger part in salt formation. Stronger part in salt formation. Stronger part in salt formation. Actually होता क्या है देखिए, how is salt is formed? Salt is formed by reaction of acid and base. Let's say one simple example. If I take reaction of strong acid HCl with a strong base NaOH, or we take any other compounds, they form salt NaCl plus water. So salt have two components. One is anionic part. Anionic part come from acid. Second is cationic part, come from base. So this anionic part, it come from acid, and cationic part come from base. So salt have two components. In this case, remember, all salts are not neutral nature. All salts are not neutral. There are several salt solutions which can be neutral nature, but there are many other salts whose aqueous solutions can be acidic or basic. It depends on the reaction, Bapert reaction. If salt in the reaction is produced, this salt can react with water to form acid and base, reverse reaction. Now all salts are not hydrolyzed. All salt solutions are not hydrolyzed. Out of many salt solutions, only few category of salts are hydrolyzed. So let us explain this point here. Now in this case, the cationic part come from base, anionic part come from acid. So this cationic part is normally also called as, it is called as cationic or basic radical, and this anion come from acid, so it's called as acidic or anionic radical. We are doing practicals, salt analysis, identification of acid and base, salts, and salts identification of acid radicals or anionic radicals, or basic radicals or cationic radicals by different chemical tests. So in any way salts we can take obtained by reaction of acid and base. So salts can be taken in 4 categories depending on the nature of acid and base. We can have salts in 4 categories. 4 कैसा आएगा? Strong means strong acid strong base, then strong acid weak base, then weak acid strong base, and next can be taken weak acid weak base. So salts can be taken 4 categories in the given case for the reactions. So in salts we take in 4 categories. Salts के कौन से टाइप होंगे? First we can take salt of strong acid and strong base. Strong acid strong base. Example taken like NaCl, potassium sulfate, calcium nitrate, etc. Such solution taken here, they are neutral and their pH of solution equal to 7, and we say such solutions are not hydrolyzed. Such salt solutions are not hydrolyzed. It is first salt category. There are no significant reactions, so we say salt is not hydrolyzed. It is salt of strong acid and weak base. Example taken like NH4Cl, ammonium sulfate. They are obtained by reaction of strong acid HCl or sulfuric acid with weaker base ammonium hydroxide in reactions. तो such salt solutions क्या होंगे इसमें stronger part क्या है? Acid. So solutions are acidic in nature, and such solutions are pH less than 7, and they shows in this case cation come from weak base, anion come from strong acid. So we told you the cationic or anionic part of salt coming from weak acid or weak base is only hydrolyzed. So this salt show cationic hydrolysis. They show cationic hydrolysis. The cation part come from weaker base is hydrolyzed in the given reaction. It is salt of third category. Salt of इसका उल्टा कर लेंगे weak acid and strong base. Example taken like sodium acetate, KCl, etc. They are coming from the reaction of strong base like NaOH or KOH with weak acids like HCl or CH3COOH. So in this case solutions क्या होगा इसमें? Strong base so solution become basic. देखिए यहाँ पर क्या था? Strong acid so solution was acidic. Simple तरीका है याद करने के लिए, सोचने के लिए. So solution of basic means their pH more than 7, and such solutions will show anionic hydrolysis. They show anionic hydrolysis. Such solutions will show anionic hydrolysis. Now it is salt of next category. Salt of weak acid and weak base. Salt of weak acid and weak base. Example taken like ammonium acetate, ammonium cyanide. Salt taken like ammonium acetate, ammonium cyanide. So in such solutions क्या होगा? Here both ions are hydrolyzed. Both ions are hydrolyzed. In this case, both ions, anions, cations are hydrolyzed. But about solution nature, we cannot be sure. In last salt category, solutions can be acidic or basic or neutral. They will have all three possibilities. Like in this last salt category, for the weak acid we take Ka value, for the weak base we take value of Kb as their dissociation constants. There are three possibilities. If Ka and Kb are equal, then solution is neutral. it has pH equal to 7. In second case, if Ka value is more than Kb, solution is acidic, it has pH less than 7. And third, if Ka is less than Kb, means Kb higher, then solution is basic and solution of pH more than 7. All the three possibilities are existing in salt of these categories. If Ka and Kb are equal, solution is neutral. If Ka more than Kb, means solution is acidic because acid stronger. If Kb higher, base stronger, solution become basic. And then solution of pH more than 7. Okay? So it is the basic idea of the salts. Actually, examination में get questions कि this salt so which kind of which ion hydrolysis. तो सिंपल तरीका है, आपको मैं एक बार समरी बोलता हूँ फिर से. सॉल्ट के 4 कैटेगरी होते हैं, स्ट्रॉन्ग स्ट्रॉन्ग, स्ट्रॉन्ग वीक, वीक स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड वीक वीक. जो भी स्ट्रॉन्ग होगा that will tell the solution of nature. Only salt of first category are neutral, they are not hydrolyzed. Remaining salts are all hydrolyzed. Solution आपका strong acid हुआ तो solution is acidic. If you take strong base, solution is basic. अगर दोनों weak हैं तो वीक में क्या होता है, K और Kb का कंपैरिजन. अगर Ka वैल्यू बराबर है Kb का, इक्वल है, then solution here also become neutral. If Ka higher than Kb means acid stronger, solution acidic, will have pH less than 7. Or if Kb is higher than Ka, solution is basic or it have pH value more than 7. So now let us discuss in these different solutions how to find the pH values. You get question in examinations for calculation of pH of solutions in different cases, or they ask you what the order of pH values, or for the salt degree of hydrolysis, or you can take identification of ions, which ions are hydrolyzed. Okay, so about this point you get questions on this topic, salt hydrolysis. So let us take salt of each category one by one, explain their behavior, pH calculation in these solutions. So let us see the salts of first category, salt of strong acid and strong base. Example taken, the most common example I will take for explanation is NaCl. We can have NaCl, potassium sulfate, calcium nitrate, potassium chlorate, means potassium perchlorate. They are the common salts which are obtained by the reaction of strong acid and strong base. We told that such solutions are neutral. Let us explain how such solutions are neutral in nature. First we take reaction of salt with water. क्या आपको देगा इसमें NaOH plus HCl. Suppose if the reaction goes in the forward direction, they will produce NaOH and HCl. In aqueous medium, for the strong electrolytes, we should write them in the ionized form. What is NaCl? Remember, all the soluble salts in solution show complete dissociation. In solution they are ionized completely from Na plus Cl negative ion. What is water? A weak electrolyte. So we write the water in the unionized form. It will give NaOH. What is NaOH? Strong base. In solution NaOH also show complete dissociation. So is HCl in solution show complete dissociation. तो क्या देगा आपको solution में? Na plus cancel out, Cl negative both sides cancel out. So in the solution what we have, the net concentration of OH negative ions is equal to H plus ions. So solution taken here become neutral. Solution taken here become neutral. And neutral means when the concentration are equal, then solution of pH equal to 7 when your temperature 25 degrees Celsius. So such solutions practically reaction does not take place because they can't form any compound like weak electrolyte. तो ये आपके लिए पॉइंट है, सिंपल पॉइंट है पहचानने के लिए, आइडेंटिफिकेशन के लिए कि आपको सॉल्ट दिया है, whether salt is hydrolyzed or not. How can you identify? बहुत सिंपल तरीका है कि a salt when hydrolyzed they should produce either a weak acid or a weak base or both. यहाँ पे क्या बना, स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस, दोनों स्ट्रॉन्ग है, तो क्या होगा सोल्यूशन जैसे कंप्लीट डिसोसिएशन. So the net concentration of hydrogen plus ions in solution will be equal to OH negative ions. When the net concentration are equal of H ions and OH ions, solution is neutral. It has pH equal to 7. So which is such salts are not hydrolyzed because their aqueous solutions remain neutral. So when you take the question we discuss in stoichiometry, कि salt solution of NaCl plus Na2CO3 reacting with HCl. So NaCl is not reacting because this was a neutral salt. All the salt we can take which are composed or prepared or formed by the reaction of strong acid and strong base are neutral. They are not hydrolyzed. They are not hydrolyzed because solutions remain neutral. pH remains 7. तो अगर आपको दिया गया solution कितना pH होगा तो 7 आप डायरेक्टली लिख सकते हैं ऐसे salt solutions के लिए. Now it is salt of second category. Salt of strong acid and weak base. I will take for example explanation NH4Cl for this salt explanation behavior of salt to explain. In this case when the reaction taken of NH4Cl with water, what happens? It can form NH4OH plus HCl. We know this reaction should go in the backward direction. Anyway, if you write the reaction in ionic form, ammonium ions plus Cl negative ions plus water, क्या देगा solution में? NH4OH plus H plus ions and Cl negative ions. Write the reaction in ionic form. Remember, strong electrolyte write in the ionized form. Weak electrolyte write in the unionized form. Weak electrolytes write in the unionized form. That is how this reaction takes place. Now when we compare the two sides, Cl negative ions concentration same on both sides because here NH4Cl come from NH4Cl give Cl negative ions, here HCl gives Cl negative ions. So the net concentration of Cl negative ions will be equal on both sides, or we can say Cl negative ion practically does not show no net reaction. So what the net reaction occurring of only ammonium ions. The net reaction can occur of only ammonium ions. And see the reaction when ammonium ions are reacting with water, they form NH4OH and hydrogen plus ions or hydronium ions. Better we write hydronium ions. Anyway, उसके meaning same रहेगा. H means hydronium ions. So in this reaction when we write here, we can say the net reaction occur of only cations. You can take such salts, so cationic hydrolysis and solution become acidic. So solution of pH less than 7. In this case solution of free hydrogen ions, so solution become acidic or we'll have pH less than 7. You can think one more way. अगर आप मानते हैं कि रिएक्शन हुआ पूरा पूरा, एक मोल से एक मोल हमारा बना NH4OH और एक मोल आपका आ गया HCl, 1 मोल ईच. अब क्या 1 मोल ऑफ HCl कैन बी 1 मोल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन प्लस आयंस देगा? क्यों? स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड है. और ये क्या है? NH4OH वीक बेस है. ये क्या करता है? इट्स ऑफ पार्शियल डिसोसिएशन. तो 1 मोल ऑफ NH4OH कैन नॉट गिव 1 मोल ऑफ OH नेगेटिव आयंस. The net concentration of hydrogen plus ions will be more in mixture as compared to OH negative ions. When we have high H plus ion concentration, solution is acidic or will have pH less than 7. Will have pH less than 7 and such salts of cationic. Cation कौन सा है? अमोनियम आयन. कहाँ से आया? Weak base से. Okay. So in this case, if you take for salt, C is the concentration and H is for salt degree of hydrolysis. Concentration of water remain practically constant. It is CH, H, C. So H has concentration CH. In this case, the symbol taken H, small h is taken symbol of degree of hydrolysis of salt. Now, in this expression, we take term KH. This in the reaction KH is called as hydrolysis constant KH. This KH is how much? We can prove this KH equal to how much? KW by KB. You can prove this KH equal to KW by KB. How can you prove this? देखिए, if I write this side here, this expression, what is expression of KW? Product of H ions into OH negative ions. What is expression of KB? For the weak base ammonium hydroxide, it gives ammonium ions into OH negative ions divided by concentration of ammonium hydroxide. If you take ratio of KW by KB, तो OH ion will cancel out. What expression remains? It remains NH for OH into hydrogen plus ions divided by ammonium ions concentration. आप चेक कर लीजिए, यहाँ पे क्या आपका एक्सप्रेशन आएगा? NH for OH into H plus ions divided by ammonium ions concentration. So this KH expression is coming out to be same as ratio of NH for OH into H ions by ammonium ions. We can write as KW by KB. And this expression can be taken how much? CH square by 1 minus H. देखो ना, C square H square by C into 1 minus H. क्या आएगा आपका? CH square by 1 minus H. Now in the expression, if H is very very less compared to 1, it is normally there. So we can write here 1 minus H can be taken nearly equal to 1. Then 1 minus H can be taken nearly equal to 1. फिर हम क्या बोलेंगे? KH is same as KW by KB is equal to how much? CH square. यहाँ से H कितना आएगा? Root of KW by KB into C. It is the expression of H, the salt's degree of hydrolysis. KH is the expression of reactions hydrolysis constant. It is ratio of KW by KB. KW for water, KB for the base. And this expression is valid if H is equal to or less than 0.05. Just like in weak acids or weak bases, alpha was negligible. यहाँ भी same type का expression आएगा, that small h is negligible as compared to 1 only when from this expression h is coming out to be equal to or less than 0.05. Coming out to be equal to less than 0.05. Then h compared to 1 can be neglected in the denominator. अगर नहीं तो क्या करेंगे? Then equation will be quadratic from where we find the h accurately. Once we know h, put the h expression for pH calculation. Put the h value here for calculation of H ions concentration. Then pH आप निकाल सकते हैं. Let us come in. तो ये हमारा होगा H का एक्सप्रेशन. अब देखते हैं अगला पॉइंट क्या आएगा इसमें. H के एक्सप्रेशन के बाद हमारा अगला एम क्या होता है? कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ H ions और OH फाइंडिंग pH. तो फॉर pH कैलकुलेशन वी नीड कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ H plus ions. कितना हुआ? C into H. From here putting this expression, what is the H ions concentration? KW into C divided by KB. This expression will come for the concentration of hydrogen plus ions. Again, varied in this limitations. Varied in that limitation only. For pH calculation of this expression, you can take minus log. Taking minus log on both sides. In this expression, तो क्या minus log of H ions is pH is equal to half for the square root. Minus log KW is minus log of KW क्या होता है? PKW minus log C minus log KB minus log KB is PKB, तो minus PKB. This becomes your expression of for pH calculation. expression of pH calculation for the salt of strong acid and weak base. The expression for pH calculation for the salt of strong acid and weak base. So this expression can be used directly, but ध्यान रखना आप इस इक्वेशन इसको कर पाते हैं इस कंडीशन में। अगर लिखा है h कंपेयर टू 1, लिखा तो नहीं होता, आपको सोचना निकालना पड़ता है। इफ h इज कमिंग आउट टू बी मोर देन 0.05, तो हमारा रूल क्या है, हमारा ये इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करेंगे। यहाँ पे कौन सा इक्वेशन है, यहाँ पे आपका इक्वेशन है क्वाड्रेटिक, आप इसको सॉल्व करेंगे स्मॉल h को निकालने के लिए। तो पहले आप h को निकालेंगे, h को निकालने के बाद हम निकालते हैं कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन आयंस, फिर हम निकालेंगे इसमें pH वैल्यू उसके बाद, ठीक है ना। तो वो आपका सेपरेट केस होगा, बट नॉर्मली मोस्टली इन क्वेश्चंस h compared to 1 is negligible. In JEE advanced one question was given where h compared to 1 was not negligible, but otherwise normally in JEE main or other entrance medical compared to 1 h can be negligible, mostly negligible. So anyway it is clear I hope. दोनों आपका केस आपको ध्यान रखिए, मोस्ट कॉमनली h इज नेग्लिजिबल, तो आपका ये इक्वेशन आपको लगेगा। आपका आंसर शॉर्टकट क्या है, हाउ कैन यू नो, सिंपल वैल्यू है। इफ द रेशियो ऑफ kW by kb, if the ratio of kW by kb is equal to or less than 10 to power minus 5 range, then mostly h you can neglect easily. But if kW by kb is higher, like more than 10 to power minus 5, minus 3, minus 2, then h compared to 1 will not remain negligible. तो आपको उस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करेंगे उस एंगल से। If kb is very low, this term is higher, then h compared to 1 may not be negligible. Otherwise, if it is lower, तो h is mostly negligible. I hope it's clear. चलिए हम आते हैं नेक्स्ट सॉल्ट पे। थर्ड सॉल्ट, सॉल्ट ऑफ वीक एसिड एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस। Example taken CH3COONA to explain this salt. We'll take question after completing all the three salt categories. तो इसमें क्या हुआ, सॉल्ट के बारे में देखिए, सॉल्ट ऑफ वीक एसिड एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस। एग्जाम्पल टेकन दिस सॉल्ट, तो व्हेन द रिएक्शन टेकन ऑफ सॉल्ट CH3COONA प्लस वाटर इन द रिएक्शन क्या देगा, CH3COOH प्लस NaOH। Write in the reaction in ionic form, CH3COONA plus H2O gives CH3COOH plus OH negative ions plus Na plus. Now when you see this reaction, concentration of sodium ions will be equal, so on both sides can cancel out. So the net reaction is occurring of only acetate ions. The net reaction is occurring of only acetate ions. It have how much concentration, C. And again for the salt, if H is degree of hydrolysis, water will be constant, this CH and CH. Now before write other calculation, we can see in this reaction what happens, solution contain free OH negative ion. Solution contain free OH negative ions which make solution basic. आप देखो ना, पहला रीजन तो है कि आपको दिख रहा है NaOH से OH आ रहा है, so OH ions आपको फ्री होंगे तो आपका सॉल्यूशन बेसिक होना ही है। अगर आप सोचते सेकंड एंगल से, यहाँ पर आपका वीक एसिड है तो क्या देगा, अगर आप रिएक्शन देखो 1 मोल के 1 मोल, इफ रिएक्शन गोज टू कंप्लीशन तो क्या हुआ, 1 मोल के 1 मोल एंड 1 मोल ईच, बट 1 mole cannot give 1 mole of hydrogen ions but give less moles of H plus ions, whereas 1 mole of NaOH can give 1 mole of OH negative ions. So concentration of OH negative is more than hydrogen plus ions in solution, so the solution is basic. When solution is basic, it has pH more than 7. Second point, this also anionic hydrolysis. Anion come from weak acid, so only anion is hydrolyzed. This also anionic hydrolysis. Now for this expression, like in the previous case, we proved that this expression of KH कितना आएगा इसमें, concentration of CH3COOH into OH negative ions divided by CH3 COO minus. This expression can prove to be same as Kw by Ka. Ka for the weak acid as the dissociation constant, and it is how much CH square by 1 minus H. आप देख सकते हैं कि वो कैसे लिखा हमने ये एक्सप्रेशन. आप देखिए, व्हाट इज एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ Kw, concentration of H ions into OH negative ions. What is expression of Ka for the weak acid, concentration of acetate ions into hydrogen plus ions divided by concentration of CH3 COOH. Ratio H ions will cancel out, तो क्या आएगा रेशियो? This ratio can be given as CH3COOH into OH negative ions divided by CH3COO minus. और ये क्या एक्सप्रेशन है? सेम एज एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ KH. तो दिस Kw by Ka will be same as KH. We can prove from here that the expression of Kw by Ka will be same as KH. यहाँ भी वही कंडीशन आते हैं that if H compared to 1 is negligible, so write here 1 minus H equal to 1. Then in this case we can write Kw by Ka is equal to CH square, and then H can be how much? Root of Kw by Ka into C. Again this expression is valid if H is coming out to be equal to or less than 0.05. Valid if H is equal to or less than 0.05. समझ आ रहा है? Like the previous case. अब आपका अगला एम क्या है? pH निकालना. For pH में क्या चाहिए होता है? Concentration of OH negative ions. How to find OH and concentration? C into H. You can put H from here. क्या आएगा? Root of Kw into C by Ka. So from here we can find the POH. यहाँ पे solution क्या है? Basic. Solution पे क्या है? Basic है. So taking minus log throughout expression, we get POH is equal to half of pKw minus log C minus log K means pK. It is POH expression. हमारा एम क्या है? pH का एक्सप्रेशन चाहिए आपको. What is pH? It is pKw minus POH. What is pH? pKw minus POH. What is pH coming from here? pKw minus this entire expression, so it is half of pKw plus log C plus pKa. It is your pH calculation expression. Direct you can use. यहाँ पे सोल्यूशन क्या है? बेसिक होगा तो pH is more than 7. You can write down complete expression. So you can see from here one more point. देखिए अगर आपका सोल्यूशन एसिडिक था तो क्या था हमारे पास? pH was half of pKw minus log C minus pKb minus minus. When the solution of pH less than 7 तो both minus minus. शॉर्टकट है याद करने के लिए कि अगर आपका pH 7 से कम है तो माइनस माइनस, अगर pH 7 से ऊपर है तो वो दोनों प्लस 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 लॉग C प्लस pK. ये आपका एक तरीका है शॉर्टकट याद करने के लिए कि अगर आपका सोल्यूशन एसिडिक है तो दोनों टर्म आएंगे ना माइनस माइनस, या दोनों कहेंगे बेसिक में दोनों प्लस 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 log C प्लस pK. When solution was acidic in pH, we have pH was half of pKw minus log C minus pKb. When solution is basic, it has pH more than 7, so plus log C plus pK. That expression becomes plus plus. I hope it's clear. So before we move for next part, let us take 2-3 examples questions to solve or the kind of question given in examination to you. Okay. Now next let's take some questions before we take the result of last category. पहला क्वेश्चन को दिया है, आपको सॉल्यूशन दिया हुआ है 0.1 मोलर सॉल्यूशन ऑफ NH4Cl. For the solution we are given the value of Kb of NH4OH 10 to the power minus 5. In the question you required find पूछा है पहला पार्ट pH of solution. इस फर्स्ट पूछा है H small h, second KH, then third pH. You get in the exam question on these three terms most commonly. Calculation of H. What is H? Degree of hydrolysis. Then KH. What is KH is called? Hydrolysis constant. And then third pH of solution. You get in exams also question on these 3 points commonly. Can you find the answer? Try this question yourself. Now to solve this question, what we can do here? We can take first calculation of H by relation Kw by Kb into C. The expression we derived right now some time back. So first to check it out कि H कितना आएगा निकालने पर. From here H is given solving root of Kw 10 power minus 14, ये आपका फिक्स है वाटर के लिए. Kb दिया है 10 to power minus 5, C दिया है आपका 0.1. तो कितना है सॉल्व करने पर 10 to power कितना हो गया minus 8 का square root minus 4. This H is very very less as compared to 0.05, so this means compared to 1 H is negligible. This value is acceptable. What is your answer also? First answer, first part 10 to power minus 4. Then KH expression, it is Kw by Kb. Kw 10 to power minus 14, Kb 10 to power minus 5, 10 to power minus 9. So we can take this is the indication. I told you the hint also. If whenever the value of KH is very very low, range आप बोल सकते हैं 10 to power minus 5 और उससे कम, तो H compared to 1 is mostly negligible. ठीक है ना. तो यहाँ पे कितना पाएगा H का वैल्यू, KH का वैल्यू 10 to power minus 9. ठीक है. That means second answer. For pH calculation हम क्या करेंगे? कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ दो तरीके थे इसमें pH के लिए. एक तो होगा था कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ H आयंस, कितना आएगा इस केस में C into H था ना रिलेशन. इफ यू टेक NH4 आयंस प्लस वाटर क्या देगा आपको NH4OH प्लस H प्लस आयंस CH C1 minus H expression. तो for H आयंस it is CH. C दिया है 0.1 मोलर. C है कंसंट्रेशन, C क्या है कंसंट्रेशन 0.1 मोलर. H क्या है डिग्री ऑफ हाइड्रोलिसिस हम निकाल चुके हैं, तो 10 to power minus 5 मोलर. सॉल्यूशन ऑफ हाउ मच pH 5. Such solution of pH less than 7. One example given. Approach number 1. Second approach can be taken from pH formula. When solution was acidic, what is pH? Half of pKw minus log C minus pKb. तो कितना आएगा half. What is pKw? 14. What is log C? 1 by 10. Log 1 by 10 minus pKb 5. तो कितना हुआ माइनस लॉग 110 इज प्लस लॉग 10 हो गया. प्लस लॉग 10 इज 15 माइनस 5, 10 by 2 5. In both the case we get same answer for pH calculation. By this expression or by this expression we can find the pH of solution in both the cases. Okay, so let us take next question. Suppose if I take salt CH3COONA, sodium acetate. Now K value given for CH3COOH 10 to power minus 5. आपको निकालना क्या है, हमें सेम निकालना है. Find H, KH and pH for the solution. अगेन ट्राई दिस क्वेश्चन योरसेल्फ। क्वेश्चन का देखिए, यहाँ बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है। इसमें क्या रिएक्शन हुआ, द रिएक्शन इज अकर ऑफ ओनली एसिटेटाइंस, रिएक्शन नेट अकर ऑफ ओनली एसिटेटाइंस प्लस वाटर, क्या आपको सॉल्यूशन में CH3COOH प्लस OH नेगेटिव आयंस। इफ concentration taken C for the salt or acetate 1 minus H CH आपको एक्सप्रेशन दिया हुआ है। Now in this case again for H expression is same, root of KW by KA into C, वहां पे था KB, यहाँ पे KA into C, तो putting all the values KW 10 to the power minus 14, KA 10 to the power minus 5, C 0.1, तो 10 to the power minus 4 सेम आएगा इसमें। What is KH? KW by KA 10 to the power minus 9, same expression। Now third part में pH, so for pH we can take again two expressions। For pH calculation we can take first concentration of OH negative ion कितना हुआ CH, C दिया है 0.1, H दिया है 10 to the power minus 4, so that OH and concentration 10 to the power minus 5, so solution of pH POH 5 और pH equal to 9। Solution of pH more than 7, it is 9, or you can take here other part, second approach by formula। In this case when solutions are basic, remember when solutions are basic in pH calculation formula, what is pH? Half of pKw plus plus, in acidic minus minus, ये आप ध्यान रखिए, आपको याद रखना आपके लिए इजी रहेगा इसमें। तो कितना आएगा pH? हाफ ऑफ pKw प्लस log C प्लस pKa, दोनों प्लस प्लस, तो कितना आएगा हाफ pKw 14, व्हाट इज log C 0.1 या 1/10 प्लस pKa 5, तो ये हो जाएगा आपका माइनस log 10 मींस 1 माइनस 1, 14 प्लस 5 19 माइनस 1 18/2 9। solution of pH 9 by second approach as well। So in either case solution of pH equal to 9 in second approach। So that is elementary question of first category। आपको लिए बेटर रहेगा पहले चेक कर लीजिए, आप पहले चेक कर लो उसमें कि कितना हमारा कंसंट्रेशन दिया है, H का वैल्यू कितना आ रहा है चेक कर लो रफली। अगर H का वैल्यू मोर देन 0.05 आ रहा होगा तो आपके लिए जरूरी है कि फिर आपको ऑप्शंस आपको देखना पड़ेगा क्वेश्चन के अंदर। ऑप्शंस बहुत पास में है कि ऑप्शंस दूर दूर है। अगर ऑप्शन बहुत क्लोज में है देन द इक्वेशन टू बी सॉल्व्ड इज क्वाड्रेटिक, अदरवाइज सिंपल इक्वेशन कैन सॉल्व एंड गो अहेड। ओके, नाउ लेट अस टेक नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। नाउ सो वी विल टेक टू मोर क्वेश्चंस ऑन दिस पॉइंट। यू अटेंड द बोथ क्वेश्चन एट अ स्ट्रेच, attempt both the question at a stretch and then you come on solution part। आपको क्वेश्चन दिया है find the pH at equivalence point in following titrations, in following titrations। पहला आपको बिट दिया है titration of 0.1 molar solution of CH3COOH versus 0.1 molar solution of NaOH, given Ka value of CH3COOH 10 to the power minus 5। देखिए इतना होता नहीं है, इसका एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू होता है 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5। I'm just taking for convenience कि हाँ आपके कैलकुलेशंस इजी रहे। ओके, तो as per the question in exam you take the value। बिट बी दिया है 0.1 मोलर सॉल्यूशन ऑफ अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड वर्सेस 0.05 मोलर HCl सॉल्यूशन। Kb वैल्यू गिवन ऑफ NH4OH 10 to the minus 5 is given to you। You try both the bits at a stretch. If for each part you can take time average 3 minutes. So 3 plus 3 6 minutes you can take, and then we will solve this question. To solve this question, let us solve each part one by one. First part, आप पहले रिएक्शन कराइए इसमें. हमारा रिएक्शन किसका है? रिएक्शन ऑफ CH3COOH plus NaOH, they will form salt CH3COONA plus water. पहले आपका रिएक्शन कराओगे एसिड बेस का, क्या बनेगा? सॉल्ट प्लस वाटर बनेगा आपका रिएक्शन में. अब यहाँ पर क्या है? वॉल्यूम नहीं दिया है, दोनों का मोलरिटी दिया है. लेट्स से वॉल्यूम टेकन V1 फॉर दिस सॉल्यूशन, मोलरिटी इनटू वॉल्यूम, मोलरिटी इनटू वॉल्यूम, V2 वॉल्यूम. यहाँ पर क्या है? दोनों का एन फैक्टर 1 है, तो नॉर्मेलिटी और मोलरिटी सेम रहेगा. दोनों का नॉर्मेलिटी मोलरिटी कितना? 0.1 ही रहेगा दोनों के लिए. इनिशियली 0 होगा. आफ्टर रिएक्शन ओवर at equivalence point they are equal, so reaction consume. They give how much amount of salt? 0.1 V1 or 0.1 V2. Millimoles or moles. If I write suppose here moles before reaction and after reaction. If I take volume V1 V2 are volumes in liters, then moles. If I take volume in milliliters, we can write down millimoles as per the question. कुछ लिखा नहीं है, we take same units volume assumed to be taken liters. Now to solve this question, बच्चे गलती क्या करते हैं? They take salt concentration 0.1, find the answer. It is not the correct answer. आपको यहाँ पर salt concentration पहले निकालना पड़ेगा. कैसे निकालेंगे? देखिए, आपका रिएक्शन कंप्लीट हो गया. आफ्टर रिएक्शन कंप्लीशन आप देखिए, पहले रिलेशन क्या है दोनों के वॉल्यूम्स में? वी कैन टेक एट इक्विवेलेंस पॉइंट N1 V1 इज इक्वल टू N2 V2. एन फैक्टर अगर सेम है तो M1 V1 इज इक्वल टू M2 V2 आल्सो. तो रिलेशन क्या वॉल्यूम का हुआ? V1 इक्वल टू V2. आई एम राइटिंग एज सपोज V. For pH calculation in this solution we require the salt concentration. For pH calculation for the salt we require salt concentration. कितना आएगा salt concentration? आप देखिए CH3COON है, कितना आएगा इसमें concentration? Number of moles 0.1 V1 और 0.1 V2 Na1 by total volume V1 plus V2 सब सेम है. V तो 0.1 V by V plus V 2V हो गया, कितना होगा? 0.1/2 और 1/20. In this case the salt produced will have concentration 1/20 moles per liter. ये बच्चे गलती करते हैं कंसंट्रेशन निकालने में. रिएक्शन पूरा होगा, आप समझ में आता है. फिर क्या होगा? नो कंपाउंड इज लिमिटिंग एजेंट. क्यों लिखा है? रिएक्शन गोज टू कंप्लीशन, लिखा है इक्विवेलेंस पॉइंट. व्हाट इज मीनिंग ऑफ इक्विवेलेंस पॉइंट? कि एट इक्विवेलेंस पॉइंट टू सॉल्यूशंस आर हैविंग सेम नंबर ऑफ ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट्स. यहाँ पर दोनों का एन फैक्टर 1 है, तो मोल्स भी सेम होंगे एज नंबर ऑफ ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट्स. इक्वेट कर लिया तो दोनों में रिलेशन है, वॉल्यूम का सेम आ गया. अगर मोलरिटी सेम है तो वॉल्यूम भी इक्वल कंज्यूम होगा रिएक्शन को एंड पॉइंट पहुंचने के लिए. उसके बाद देखिए सॉल्ट है हाउ मच कंसंट्रेशन? मोल्स बाय टोटल वॉल्यूम इज मोलरिटी ऑफ सॉल्ट. ये चाहिए आपको. बच्चे गलती यहीं पे करते मोस्टली है कि सॉल्ट कंसंट्रेशन को देखा 0.1 सॉल्ट इज 0.1, गेट द आंसर, रॉन्ग आंसर हैप्पीली. ऐसा नहीं होता है. क्या करो आप क्वेश्चन को निकालने के लिए? अब आपको निकालना पीएच. सॉल्यूशन में होगा उसमें बेसिक. इन दिस केस सॉल्यूशन बिकम बेसिक. फॉर दिस बेसिक सॉल्यूशन व्हाट इज पीएच? हाफ of pKw minus log C minus pK plus pKa. अगर आपका सॉल्यूशन बेसिक है तो आप कर सकते pKw plus log C and pKa. यहाँ पर आप चेक कर सकते हैं कि H, what is the value of K, H again coming out to be very low, so H compared to 1 negligible, so this equation is applicable. What is pKw? 14 प्लस log C कितना होगा? 1/20 प्लस pK आपका होगा 5. हाफ 14 प्लस 5 19 है, राइट कंबाइनली, माइनस log 20. तो log 20 कितना होता है? 19 minus 1.3, 17.7 by 2, half of 17.7. So solution of in this case pH equal to 8.85 as your answer. What was your answer? 9. 9 is coming if you take 0.1 molar. बच्चे वही गलती करते हैं कि pH निकालते हैं 9 इस केस में. इसमें आपका आंसर 9 pH नहीं आएगा. क्यों नहीं आएगा? बिकॉज टोटल वॉल्यूम आपका डबल हो जाएगा इस केस में. So salt concentration will be half the concentration of acid or base. वो गलती आपको नहीं करनी है. ये बहुत कॉमन मिस्टेक बच्चे करते हैं एग्जाम के अंदर है कि कंसंट्रेशन सॉल्ट को निकालने में. Okay, I hope it is clear to you now. If you are correct, I said very good. Otherwise, you can make corrections. Okay. Let's do your first part A. अगर आपका पार्ट 1 ठीक था तो अच्छी बात है. अगर पार्ट 1 रॉन्ग था आपने करेक्शन कर लिया है. पार्ट बी यू कैन ट्राई वंस अगेन. ओके. नाउ कमिंग ऑन पार्ट बी. एक रिएक्शन क्या आपका हुआ NH4OH का HCl से, तो क्या देगा इसमें NH4Cl प्लस वाटर. रिएक्शन को पहले मोलरिटी 0.1 वॉल्यूम V1, मोलरिटी 0.05 वॉल्यूम V2. ये 0 का स्टार्टिंग है. रिएक्शन के बाद होगा पूरा होने के बाद 0 0. सॉल्ट कैन बी टेकन 0.1 V1 और 0.05 V2. सॉल्ट कैन बी 0.1 V1 और 0.05 V2. तो हमारा एम क्या है इसमें? टू फाइंड द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ सॉल्ट फर्स्ट. तो रिएक्शन लिख देते हैं पहले कि एट इक्विवेलेंस पॉइंट दोनों का इफेक्टर 1 है तो मोल्स भी सेम होंगे. 0.1 V1 is equal to 0.05 V2. From here what relation will come here? V2 कितना है इसमें? 0.1 by 0.05 is 2 V1. एंड पॉइंट पे क्या है? दोनों सॉल्यूशन के ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट से मोल्स सेम होंगे. यहाँ पे तो मोल्स भी सेम होंगे बिकॉज दोनों का एन फैक्टर सेम है. एसिड का और बेस का एन फैक्टर सेम है तो दोनों के मोल्स भी इक्वल होंगे. उससे क्या होगा? वॉल्यूम का रिलेशन आएगा V2 is 2 V1. अब रिएक्शन पूरा होने के बाद सॉल्ट में कितना आएगा कंसंट्रेशन? मोल्स बाय टोटल वॉल्यूम कितना है? 0.1 V1 आपका. What is V2? 2 V1. That's 3 V1 means 0.1 by 3 or 1 by 30. That in the reaction salt produce will have concentration 1 by 30 m. इसमें भी क्या है? Don't say कि anyone is limiting reagent. लिखा है equivalence point. Reaction has to go to completion. Reaction will go to completion. ठीक है ना? तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग क्वेश्चन करेंगे वाला. तो salt produces concentration 1 by 30 m. From here it is hydrolyzed. So it is pH. यहाँ पर क्या सोल्यूशन आपका एसिडिक रहेगा. Salt of strong acid and weak base. Salt solution is acidic because of reaction of salt hydrolysis. So what is pH? Half of pKw. यहाँ पे दोनों माइनस 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 log C माइनस pKa माइनस log C माइनस pKb for the base B. आपको दिया है तो कितना आएगा? What is pKw? 14 minus log C 1 by 30 minus 5. तो कितना हुआ? 9. Half of 9 plus log 30. Log 30 take 1.47. तो 1 by 2 of 10.47. So this pH can be written as 5.26. Sorry, 5.23. 5. 0.35 is your answer. I hope it is clear. So concept are clear. Underline this concept कि अगर आपको you get question on this topic frequently, more commonly in entrance कि at the end point solution of how much pH, तो यहाँ पे आपको मैंने वॉल्यूम का रिलेशन आप निकालना पड़ेगा, आपको यहाँ पे दिया नहीं है. एंड क्वेश्चन देने की वॉल्यूम आल्सो कि इतना वॉल्यूम दिया तो कितना वॉल्यूम चाहिए, मोलरिटी का दिया हुआ, तो आप पहले वॉल्यूम निकालते हैं. आफ्टर वॉल्यूम कैलकुलेशन यू फाइंड कंसंट्रेशन एंड देन अप्लाई द रिलेशंस. वहाँ भी आप चेक करते हो कि H कंपेयर टू 1 इज नेग्लिजिबल और नॉट. अब सिंपल ध्यान रखिए, यू फाइंड द वैल्यू KH. इन फर्स्ट केस व्हाट इज KH? KW by Ka 10 to power minus 9. In second case what is KH? KW by Kb 10 to power minus 9. In both the case the value of KH is very low. So compared to 1, in both the case H is negligible comfortably. अब ध्यान रखिए कि KH के वैल्यू अगर आपका 10 to power minus 5 या से कम जा रहा है, minus power minus 9, minus 6, minus 7, then compared to 1 H is negligible. Then you can use such expression directly. If H compared to 1 was not negligible, you cannot use this equation for pH calculation. In that case, equation was to be quadratic from where H हम निकालते हैं, फिर निकालेंगे pH और pOH as per the question.